Chair will offer a range of timber windows and doors, available in both engineered hardwood and engineered softwood. We are an accredited installer of the Barrico range, which is a product all fabricated in Poland and is well marketed in the UK as one of the go-to timber solutions. Fantastically crafted, sprayed using a microporous paint, which is a system called Technos. This system can be colour matched to any Farrow and Ball colour, any RAL, any British standard finish, and our clients all come to look at this system if they're trying to replace a traditional existing timber casement with a modern day product that gives them more maintenance free guarantees around that paint finish. We provide a 10-year paint finish guarantee which covers infestation and rot. But it is important that you do follow the guidelines as well as the overall finish, in so much as there is an annual care guide that you have to follow just to make sure that any blemishes with the product is sort of rubbed down and sort of repainted over, just to ensure that the product doesn't have any ways of getting further decay, which can lead to the rotting of the timber if you don't go through that care guide. Within the range we have various hardware options as well, both more traditional or contemporary, depending on what look and feel you're trying to create with your property. And these come in both sliding sash as well as traditional open out casements. Within the casement range, a bit like the timber alternative, you can have them in either flush or stormproof, and commonly people will go for whatever is coming out of the property would possibly be the deciding factor to which style of window they will choose. All the windows come in a range of astragal bar details, both Georgian grid and single bar details as well. So depending on what look and feel you're trying to achieve, we can accommodate the right look and feel for your home.